We are having this HP Pavilion. So let's just plug it in very fast and see how it is behaving. So it is taking some small current, then going off. Let me see again. Okay, yeah, about 0.02 or 200 milliamperes, then going off. Okay, seen that? So that usually signifies a problem with probably a short, or there's something trying to consume power, but then the laptop usually has short circuit protection. So what happens in that case is the laptop will try and stop current flow or completely disconnect that shorted area. Okay, so very fast, I just want us to open it up. Give me some time to open it up. Okay, so there we have it. And very fast, let us just do some visual inspection. Okay, let us do some visual. Oh, my scope is disconnected. A minute, let me just connect my scope. Okay, so desktop name. Fine, we will proceed and check the board very thoroughly. And it seems this motherboard has been worked on before. You can see some signs of heat. So definitely that's been worked on before. You can see these ones. Okay, these are sign of heat. You can see some flux, but that is no problem. We'll just have to check to our best capacity. So we seem not to have a very visible, probably damage on the board. Yes, I think the board is all clean. Okay, before we do anything, that is before we try and check for a short on the coils. Again, we'll have to check for the voltages. Can we check for the voltages first? Or we should check for the short first? We should be expecting it's high. Okay, we should be expecting the always voltages 3.3. There we have nothing. There we have nothing. Here we have nothing on this coil. Here we have about 0.2, 200 millivolts. So let's check whether we are having 19 at first place. Of course, we're having 19.1. Yeah, so we're having 19. We are missing the always voltages. This could be a problem. Could we be having a problem with the 3.3 and 5V? Let's check closely whether we'll be having those two voltages. Power supply main. Okay, fine. So I presume these two should be the 5V and the 3.3. That is just my assumption. So at this point we should be having 19. That is ground. That's okay. At this point we should be having 19. And that's okay. So they are not, these chips are not doing their work. Should be having an output of around 5 volts at this point. We're having 5 volts at this point. This is the ground. What about this side? We're having nothing here. We're having nothing at this point, nothing at this point. Okay, fine. We seem to be having 5 volts, but we don't have 3.3. So we could be having a shorted power with module. Shorted power with module. And now we can check the resistance of that point. Okay, fine. We have just to use the microscope. Where is it? Let's check the resistance. Let's check the resistance. So on bit mode, disconnect power, and here we are. The coils are okay at that point. Here we are having, oh, here we are having 0.3 ohms. So we definitely have a short at this point. We have a short on the 3.3 line. So then very fast we'll come with our thermal camera. To try to check. Let me switch on my power supply. Let me use this other power supply. Let's use self voltage of 0.1 with 1 amp. Of course, it's a 3.3 line, so try our best to see if we'll be observing anything. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, just a minute. Fine, I'll share my screen. Camera. This mode. Okay, fine. So let's begin and check what is getting on. Switching off short circuit protection. Current being taken. 48 volt, 0.48 volts with 1 amp. Wait, is something getting warm at this point? Wait, let's begin and check. Is it getting warm? Any other thing? There is nothing totally. I feel like the CPU is getting warm. Let's increase the current to about 1.8. It's a shorted. We have a shorted CPU. We actually have a shorted CPU. Getting warm at the corner at this point. Begin check at this point. At this point. Can see that? Taking about 1.8 amperes with 0.76 current. So definitely this is a no fixer. Yeah, we quite receive these boards a lot, ones with shorted CPUs. So we'll call the client and let him know. Okay, yeah, see you in the next video. You have a good day.